Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing AT&T Internet Air in 2026. We will be taking a look at the real-world speeds, available plans, pricing, and overall performance so that you can decide if it's right internet option for your home. So first of all, let's understand what makes AT&T Internet Air different from other services. So AT&T Internet Air is a fixed wireless internet service. Instead of running cables into your home, it connects to AT&T's cellular network and delivers internet through a wireless gateway. The gateway is going to act like a modem on the router combined. Once it is powered on, it connects to the nearest cellular tower and broadcasts Wi-Fi throughout your home. So this approach makes the service especially useful in the places where fiber or the cable internet hasn't reached yet. One of the biggest advantages is how simple the setup is. After receiving the gateway device, you only need to plug it in, place it in a location where it can get a strong signal, such as near a window. Within a few minutes, the device connects to the network and your home Wi-Fi becomes active. There is no technician visit, no wiring, and no complicated installation process. AT&T keeps the service very straightforward with a single main plan. You can take a look at the cost over here, which is going to start with around $60 per month. Most of the customers also get unlimited data, meaning you don't have to worry about monthly usage limits. The speeds you experience will depend on the signal strength and the network conditions. In most of the areas, download speeds usually fall between about 90 Mbps to 300 Mbps. That's typically fast enough for streaming videos or online classes, remote work, and connecting multiple devices at the same time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.